Hi! In this video, I will unpack and introduce the new edition of the Genius SP-HF180 speaker. On the box, we will also find the other two older color variations of the product. The instructions for use are printed on the box. The speakers are adequately protected in terms of packaging. There is a quick start guide on the top. The device receives power via USB, so it can also be used with a power bank. The audio signal input is a 3.5mm jack connector. There is also a volume control on the cables. The amplifier is housed in this housing, which has a total power of 2.5 watts. The maximum distance between the two speakers is about 1 meter. The drivers in the speaker are 4 ohms and have a power of 3 watts. There are rubber feet on the bottom. For comparison, I have also included the previous color version of the product. The product provides correct quality and adequate sound for its price, but by replacing the amplifier built into the cable, much better sound can be achieved. I may show how to achieve this in a future video. I have included the sound test of the original speaker at the end of the video. But don't let this fool anyone. This speaker has the same structure and technical data as the older version. Only the design and a few small things have changed.
All the roads we travel, the journey of our lives. Take another picture before we say goodbye. Arm in arm we're standing side by side. Memories fade, the legends never die. One last time, let's live for something. I can feel my blood, it's rushing. This ain't goodbye, we'll be back someday.